Hi everyone, it's Stacy from PeonyLaneDesigns.com. Have you subscribed to the channel yet? If not, click the little blue button.
Don't forget to click the subscribe button, comment down below, like this video, and click the bell icon to be notified.
Well, hello. I have a project today. And it's not a doom pile project. It kind of is and it kind of isn't. Part of it is and part of it wasn't. So part of it's due and part of it is doom pile. The doom pile part is this. I picked these up at the Dollar Tree like, I don't know, 2 years ago, and they've been hanging on that back wall. There's another one back there, right there, that I don't know what I'm going to do with that one, but I know what we're going to do with this one. So it's a jar project, and I got this jar was, I don't know, pickles? Yeah, I think it was pickles. I wanted a jar that was smooth all the way around, that didn't say ball or, you know, cur or anything like that. So that's why we're using, it's a recycling project. We're recycling it. We're going to make a lantern out of it, but I'm going to make a Halloween lantern because when we were at the closing sale of Craft Direct, I picked up this little guy. And now you can see why I'm like, yes, yes, yes. I'm going to make a pumpkin lantern. Margot! A shush! He does look a little large, but I think it's going to be okay. I mean, I don't have to leave it where they have it. I can kind of adjust the pieces and parts and get it on there where I want to them. But first things first, we got to paint the jar orange because it's a pumpkin. Aren't I clever? I'm so smart. I'm thinking I need a chalk paint though. I'm thinking Papa Color. Papa Color, I believe, is a chalk paint. Hang on. No, it is not. It is a chalk finish. It's not a true chalk paint. But, yeah, I do have alcohol ink. And this is the color Butterscotch. I need rubbing alcohol to get this to move around a little bit more, but just the smell. I'm going to go get some rubbing alcohol. Get the rubbing alcohol and stick it in there. I thought I had that stuff that makes it smoosh around. What did I do with that now? Good God, y'all. And I thought, you know, it would kind of give it a stained glass look, and that would be kind of cool since we're going to be putting a little candle in it. Hang on, let me see if I can find it. Yeah, I got nothing. And I don't have the rubbing alcohol either, so we're just going to load this thing up with the alcohol ink. Woo! And I'm just going to roll it around until it's coated. I should get a lid on this, right? Wouldn't that be smart? Smart? I don't do anything smart. Ooh, I swear it smells like tequila. Ugh. Like every time I use this, I get sick to my stomach. Like I just wolfed down tequila. Oh! I have my surface protected. Don't worry. No worries there. I'm going to keep rolling it. Okay, I just rolled it around on the surface. It's getting these really cool little streaks on it. And I set it upside down to just kind of drip out the excess. But it'll leave like little streaks, and I'm okay with that. It's going to be kind of a funky little stained glass look to this piece. But I had, until the bulk of it went away, I just sat and rolled it. It's to get the whole jar coated. The streaks are going away as I roll it. Set it upside down, let it drip. Okay, so this pumpkin face that I'm going to put on there is from decoratingyourlife.com. Vinyl lettering, fun and easy way to add a personal touch to any project. I said last time that this was really high quality vinyl, and it is. So if you guys want to, I'm going to lift that up. I'm not sponsored, but if you wanted to get this pumpkin face, I'm sure they still have it. Or if you wanted to get any of their other vinyl, it's good. This was $3.99 though for this pumpkin face, and I actually got it like 90% off because of the store closing sale. So you have to decide if you want to pay that. But I took the pieces and parts apart because the spacing for this jar was just not where I wanted it to be. So let's pull the backing off here and hope for the best. With Stacy doing her own spacing. Okay. I'm just going to use my thumbnail to press this down. Let's get an edge here. It's always so hard to get the backing to come off. Edge, gotta get an edge. There we go. Straight out, straight out. There we go. If you know somebody with a Cricut, or you have a Cricut of your own, obviously you can cut your own. I do not have a Cricut. I do have a husband with a plotter, but I'm waiting for him to do stuff. You know, I'm not a priority. Right, so there's our smile, and here's our nose. The nose is going to have to be pretty close to the mouth. And the eyes. Let me cut the excess off the eye here, at least on the bottom, because the eyes are going to go like that. Let me get the other one. Hang on. Yeah, I couldn't remember how the eyes were tipped, and they are tipped down. And I'm going to put the other eye on and see how it looks before I start pulling the backing off, or pulling the transfer tape off, because I can still move it if I need to, which I need to. almost touch the nose there. Yep. And actually cutting them apart makes it easier on a rounded surface like this right here, because if it was like trying to move all of it, I don't know. I think it's easier this way. Ooh. He's still a little wonky. I got it wrong, but that's me. That's where the love is, where the wonkiness is. And now these are at Dollar Tree. At least they were 2 years ago. Oh, wait. I actually have a little light in there. So Dollar Tree, at least my Dollar Tree, had these hanging lantern things. They also had pumps, which I really hate that that's not on the face. Shoot. Really want that to hang forward like that. All right. Well, here we go. I was going to try and tip it and show you, and then I realized how stupid that is. He's cute, which you can't really see it with the bright light in here. Come on, move it down. I'm not putting an actual flame in there because alcohol ink, but he's cute. Be a cute little spooky addition to your Halloween decor. I'm going to get a price tag on him and get him in the booth. I'm kind of happy with it. I'm actually really happy with it. So another little trash to treasure project. I need something white behind him. There you go. Now you can see. So the eyes aren't quite where they're supposed to be, but I think he turned out super duper cute. He or she or pumpkin face. My little pumpkin lantern. Thanks for watching, you guys. Happy junkin'. Bye.
Visit my blog, peonylanedesigns.com, for more tips, tricks, and inspiration. Thanks for watching, everyone. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon so you'll be notified of new videos. I post every week, DIY tutorials, and of course, more junkin' videos.